Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I am going to compare the three devices in the benchmark comparison from the OnePlus 7 Pro device and the Realme X2 Pro device and some Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus device. And three phones are having the different processor. And the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 855 processor, and whereas the Realme X2 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and where the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus right now I'm using the Exynos processor. So if you're first time watching this video, friends, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of individual all the videos and all the phones which I did in my channel. So if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can comment below. And right now let's get started with the test. So as you can see here, friends, I got the application study, antutu benchmark and the geek benchmark 5 applications in all three smartphones, and let's check one by one which phone has a better antutu benchmark score. So as you can see here, friends, in the Snapdragon 855 we got the score around 4,49,000, and the 855 Plus 4,64,000, and the Exynos processor you got a 4,36,000. So clearly the clear winner is the Realme X2 Pro device, Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. So here you will get a clear idea of which processor has how much potential, as you can see here clearly. So there is not a huge margin difference, but there is only a slightly difference in terms of the scores, as you can see. And all the three antutu benchmarks applications are of same version 8.2.2, as you can see here clearly. So if you have any queries regarding the smartphones, you can comment below, friends. And now let's take a look at the geek benchmark 5 application. So as you can see, friends, if you compare the single core score between all the smartphones, so the clear winner is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus with the 806, as you can see. And if you consider the multi-core performance, the OnePlus 7 Pro is the winner, 2589. So slightly close to the 2585 in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is the overall benchmark comparison between all the three smartphones. So if you want me to do any kind of benchmark comparison, do comment below, friends. I'll be trying to make a video on that. And if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check the future videos, which I'll be posting a lot of comparison videos with other smartphones. See you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.